So talking about the flu season and how to prevent it. So I did just tell you to sneeze in your arm and not up and open or in your hand. But, if you do have to sneeze, please, God, actually sneeze. Do not try to hold in a sneeze. I know all of us did, and I too am guilty of holding in a sneeze, but it's not good for you, and actual bad things can happen if you try to hold in your sneeze. And just understand this. Let's get here about this guy. A 34-year-old man living in the UK learned the hard way that holding in the sneeze can cause some serious damage. So his attempt to stifle a sneeze backfired, and the force of that would-be sneeze tore through his soft tissue in his throat, rupturing part of it. X-rays showed that the built-up pressure from the sneeze, which needed to escape his body, somehow tore through the throat's tissue. When its preferred exit, his nose and mouth were blocked. It ruptured the pharynx, and so he heard a pop, and he was like, "Oh shit, something's not right." Went to his doctor. It was just he couldn't breathe right, he couldn't talk, and they found out that he almost he could have just killed himself. I mean, that's some bad things could have happened. Some really bad things could have happened. So do not hold in your sneeze. Just let that bad boy out. Just let it out. Just do it carefully so you're not infecting other human beings. All right? Don't be obnoxious about it and make the whole world know.